her favourite song, his dream job, their fun, his passion, their home, Mum, her love. Together, we will help them keep in touch with loved ones and enjoy every single moment while keeping them safe and secure. Together, we can change our world to make it more connected, smarter, more enjoyable, and create a better tomorrow for them, for you, for everybody. As a recognised leading innovation and technology company, we're committed to supporting our customers in designing better solutions for electronics. And together, you and Siemens, we can improve our lives. Because Siemens is your key partner to digitalise and optimise your company with the most advanced design, simulation, automation and manufacturing tools to boost efficiency and productivity. Our proven, flexible solutions help you speed up innovation, ensure quality and safety, reduce costs and adapt your business to the ever-changing global requirements and customer demands. Let's create that better world today for a better tomorrow. Together.